Hey everyone, and welcome back to Butchie Boom. Today we're talking to the new Uber drivers, and more specifically, we're looking to give you a little information on how to work the apps properly if you're new. So the first thing, what we're going to get right into, we're going to be talking about quests, and we're going to be talking quests versus had to watch the road. Quest versus the surge. Okay, a surge, let's back up really quick. The surge is where there's more riders than there are drivers, so Uber will start raising the prices up. Some of the drivers will get some of that fare, but not a lot. The rule of thumb is never, ever chase a surge. Now, Quest, on the other hand, is something different. And I want to give you a little bit of a secret regarding the Quest. So, usually every week, Uber will give a Quest option for you to select. You got to check it, select by Thursday for the weekend, and then Sunday at midnight for the following week. And they usually always give you a range, starting really low, like $20 for an extra 10 trips, $150 for 60 trips, just for example. I have an example that I'm going to show alongside here. I don't have it in front of me, so I can't tell you what it says, but you'll get the idea. So everybody says, oh, wow, look at this. So Uber's willing to pay me an extra $50, an extra $150 for making 50 trips, 100 trips, whatever their quest is. And everybody's really tempted to select that top quest to get the most money. Well, here's breaking news for you folks. Breaking news. You can select the least quest, the $20 quest, the one way at the bottom of the list, okay? Why? Because as soon as you meet that 10 ride for the 20, then the next level of that quest kicks in. So if you continue driving and you're putting in 50, 60 trips in the week, those quests, they rise up automatically for you, and Uber throws them in. So if you don't take the smallest quest first, here's where Uber gets you. So let's say that you have 3 or 4 quest requests, and you can see it in the scroll. You can choose any one of them from top to bottom. But let's say you choose one of the middle ones, and let's say, for instance, it's 50 trips. Let's say you make only 48 trips. No matter what you do, you can't get those other 2 trips in, or it's something personal, or you have to end working early. Whatever the case may be, you couldn't make that quest. Well, if you started with the bottom, like I'm suggesting to you right now, the very first quest that they give you for the smallest amount of money, then you'll have made all the money for that quest and any other quest that you have met the criteria for, going on up to the top of the list. So, bottom line is, select the bottom quest, the $20 quest for 10 rides. Do 30 rides, and it'll bump you up. You'll see what their increments are in the quest. And again, I'll point it out to you here in the scroll. It's not rocket science, but it's just little tips and tricks that we've learned along the way to help try to make a couple extra bucks. You know, there's nothing worse than, you know, having a 50 ride quest and you only get 48 rides. And just so you know, your rides, deliveries, all of it, all counts towards your quest. So, you know, don't try, you know, doing one for the other. It doesn't matter. With that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're getting something out of the videos. Please leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and please share, okay? Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you again soon.